What is autonomous systems? Imagine machines that can think, decide, and act on their own, without constant human control. From self-driving cars to intelligent drones and automated factories, this is the world of autonomous systems. An autonomous system is a combination of hardware and software designed to perform tasks independently by sensing its environment, analyzing data, making decisions, and taking action. Unlike traditional machines that follow fixed instructions, autonomous systems adapt to changing conditions in real time. At the core of every autonomous system are four key components: perception, decision-making, control, and learning. Perception allows the system to understand its surroundings using sensors like cameras, radar, LiDAR, or microphones. Decision-making processes this information using algorithms and artificial intelligence to determine what action to take. Control systems then execute those actions, such as steering a vehicle or adjusting a robotic arm. Finally, learning enables the system to improve over time, often through machine learning or reinforcement learning. One of the most well-known examples is autonomous vehicles. These cars analyze traffic, recognize road signs, predict the behavior of other drivers, and make split-second decisions to navigate safely. But autonomous systems go far beyond transportation. In healthcare, surgical robots assist doctors with extreme precision. In space exploration, autonomous rovers explore planets millions of miles away where real-time human control is impossible. In industry, smart robots optimize production lines and reduce human error. However, autonomy also raises important challenges. Safety, reliability, and ethical responsibility are critical concerns. How should an autonomous system behave in a dangerous situation? Who is responsible if it makes a mistake? These questions are driving global discussions among engineers, lawmakers, and ethicists. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, autonomous systems will become more capable, more common, and more integrated into everyday life. They promise increased efficiency, reduced risk in dangerous tasks, and entirely new ways for humans and machines to work together. Autonomous systems are not just machines that act on their own. They are a glimpse into the future of intelligent technology shaping the world around us.